Okay, imagine this, a classic Ford Mustang that looks straight out of the 60s but drives like a modern luxury car. That's exactly what Revology has done with their new Mustang Boss 429 Restomod. And trust me, this is going to make every car enthusiast out there take notice. Just announced, Revology's take on the 1969 Mustang Boss 429 is turning heads for all the right reasons. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this isn't just another Restomod. And wait until you hear about the incredible power under the hood. So, what's the big deal with Revology's Boss 429? Well, they've taken the iconic muscle car and given it a heart transplant with a 5.0-liter Coyote engine from the latest Mustang Dark Horse. But here's where things get really interesting, they've added a supercharger, boosting the power to an astonishing 710 horsepower. That's more power than most people know what to do with. Now, let's talk about why this is a game changer. The original Boss 429 was all about muscle and performance, designed to dominate on the NASCAR tracks. But Revology has taken that legendary DNA and infused it with modern technology. We're talking about a brand new steel unibody and cutting-edge design processes that make this car as rigid and refined as any modern vehicle. And here's the kicker, while the original Boss 429s are fetching up to $625,000 at auction, Revology's version starts at a cool $395,000. Sure, you could buy a fleet of new Mustangs for that price, but this car is something else entirely. It bridges the gap between classic heritage and modern performance in a way that few others can. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. This car isn't just a tribute to the past, it's a bold step into the future of automotive design. As we move towards more electric and autonomous vehicles, Revology is proving there's still a place for raw, unapologetic power and craftsmanship. This Restomod isn't just a car, it's a statement. So, what does this mean for the automotive world? It shows there's a growing market for cars that honor their roots while embracing innovation. It's a reminder that while the future may be electric, there's still room for the roar of a powerful V8. Now, let me ask you this, if you had the chance to drive a modern classic like this, would you? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And don't forget to hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down another incredible automotive innovation you won't want to miss.